Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. In today's video, you guys, I'm giving you a mini haul, and I know that this may come as a surprise to some of you because you probably have heard me say that I was not going to purchase any products during the first quarter of 2022. I have failed horribly at that, I must admit that, and you would think by now I would learn not to say that at all because each and every time I make that statement, I fail at it. But, you know, sometimes it just can't be helped because sometimes there are things that we want to purchase, they're out of stock, they don't have our shade, so we can't purchase at the immediate time. But then once those products do come back into stock, we have to jump on it and purchase them if we don't want them to run out of stock again. So with that segue, I'm going to jump right into my Sonia G Fusion brushes. This is what these brushes look like if you have not seen them already. And these have been out of stock quite some time on the Beautylish website. So I had to lay patiently and wait for them to come back in stock. But at the end of last year, I did purchase the Lotus set of brushes, which is a gorgeous set of brushes. Just in case you guys can't remember, this is what the Lotus set looks like. This is a gorgeous set of brushes. Love these. But these were the brushes that I really wanted. So again, I finally got the notification. These were back in stock, so I went ahead and picked them up. This is a 5-piece brush set. Sonia G is notorious for giving us 5-piece brush sets, and I really like that because if you were to buy a full set of Sonia G brushes, you would be paying a substantial amount of coins for that. But there are 5 brushes that are included in this Sonia G Fusion set. And this set includes a soft concealer brush, and this is what she looks like. I love the handles on the Sonia G brushes because they're not too long, they're not too short, they're just the right length, and I do love the aesthetics of the brush set itself. The description on the Beautylish website says that these brushes are handmade by master artisans in Japan with a maple wood handle that's coated with layers of pigment and lacquer for a gorgeous finish. That is so very true. I love the look or the aesthetics of this brush. These brushes are made of a soft Sokoho goat hair and synthetic hairs, and these brushes are excellent to use with creams, liquids, or powders. So this is really nice. This is the soft concealer brush. It also comes with a jumbo concealer brush. So you can see the difference between the two here. This one is a lot smaller than this one. The handle looks to be a little bit shorter on the jumbo concealer brush as well, but both of these brushes are part of the Fusion set. It also comes with this mini base brush. I would use this for my cream contour. I like using a cream contour to put down in all the areas where I want to chisel out my face before I apply my foundation. So I think this is going to be an awesome brush for that. And then it comes with this classic base brush. This one is a little bit larger than the mini base. This could be a good bronzing brush. I do have some cream bronzers, so it might be good to use for those. And then we have the jumbo base brush. This is the largest brush in this set, and I would probably use this for my foundation. But yeah, this is an awesome brush set to have. I am so glad to finally add it into my collection. Like, I need another brush. Really, I don't, but still, I'm glad to have these. These are really nice. These brushes will be added to my Sonia G brush collection. I've got the 5-piece eye set as well. There's only 3 of them here, but I've got 2 of them somewhere here on my workstation. But I've got the 5-piece brush set. I've got the Lotus set that I just showed you guys, and now I've got the Fusion set. So really glad to have these. So I think I'm satisfied now. I think I'm good with all of my Sonia G brushes. And along with my Fusion brush purchase from Beautylish, I also picked up from Good Molecules the hyaluronic acid serum. I like it when I purchase from Beautylish. They give me a good price or a sale option for some other product that they have. And this is the second time that I've purchased something in this same manner from the Good Molecules brand. The last time I think I purchased, they had a cleansing gel. So now I've got the hyaluronic acid serum. So yeah, I will definitely be checking this out. You guys know that I like using a good serum. I like hyaluronic acid. I like the plumping effect that it gives to my skin. So pick that up from Beautylish. I have been yearning for a Gucci lipstick. There's several Gucci lipsticks that I would like to have, but there was one in particular where in my mind I said if I can get this one, then I'll be okay to take my time and wait for a sale for some of the other shades. And I finally got my hands on that one, and I picked this up from a website called eCosmetics. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of eCosmetics before. It's another one of those websites that you go to find your makeup products at a discounted price. And this is the Gucci Rouge à Lèvres Satin lipstick is what this is, and this is in the shade Agatha Orange. I have seen this lipstick worn and it is gorgeous. It is beautiful. If you know, you know. If you did not know, I'm hoping that this is going to put you on with the info, girl, when it comes to this lipstick shade. Look at that. It's a gorgeous, vibrant orange shade. I am really looking forward to wearing this during the spring and summer months. It is beautiful. So glad to be adding this to my collection. I'm going to leave the information below in the description box for eCosmetics. Go check that out. They've got lots and lots of brands there. You don't want to miss out on this one. So if there are makeup brands that you're interested in and you're interested in saving a little bit of money on some of the products that may not be new releases anymore, but they're still gorgeous products, definitely check out eCosmetics. It's an awesome site. You should be able to save some money there. And with my order, they also sent me this little pouch here. This is like a little cosmetic pouch, little cosmetic bag. So this is really cute. Really like that from eCosmetics. And then the next thing I picked up, you guys, I hate to admit this, but I have never used anything from Blk Opal. I've seen Blk Opal being used to create some gorgeous makeup looks, but I have just never used that particular brand. So I decided to change some things regarding that, and I picked up a couple of things from the Blk Opal website. So I picked up two of the Blk Opal Skin Perfecting Stick Foundations. These have an SPF of 15. I picked up one in the shade Truly Topaz, and I picked up the other in Chestnut. So I figured that I would use the Truly Topaz for my foundation shade, and I would use the Chestnut as a cream contour or bronzing type shade. So pick these up from Blk Opal. I can't wait to use these. I also picked up a concealer. This is the Flawless Concealer from Blk Opal, but I'm not sure if I got the right shade for myself in this one. I color matched myself online, and this is in the shade Toast. This is what the shade looks like on my skin. If you can see it right there. It looks really yellow on my skin tone, so I'm not sure what that's going to do for me. I might end up going to maybe Ulta or someplace like that, find a retailer that sells the Blk Opal brand, and maybe make another choice in terms of my concealer. This may be good for those days where I'm doing those no makeup days. Might be good for me to use this as a concealer then, because on those days the only thing I'm doing is just doing some concealing in the areas where I need it, and this is pretty close to my skin tone. Might be able to make that work. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm trying Blk Opal because I want to see what it's going to be able to do for me. I do believe that Blk Opal and Fashion Fair are under the same umbrella now. So I really like the Fashion Fair foundation, and I'm hoping that the products here from Blk Opal are going to be similar in quality and formula. And if so, that'll be great. And you guys, of course, will be seeing me use these products when I do for the first time. I also picked up the Soft Velvet Finishing Powder from Blk Opal, and this is in the shade 400 Medium. So this has a little protection sticker on there, but you can pretty much see what the shade looks like just by looking here in the actual container. You can see it there. So I'm hoping that this is not going to be too light for me. But again, this is my first time using anything from Blk Opal. So if I don't have my shade match correct in any of these products, I'll just reorder them or purchase other products that are going to be closer to my shade tone until I actually get it right. So yeah, Blk Opal is now in my collection. And I picked up a couple of items from the Pure Shea store. I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of this particular website or this particular brand of shea butter. So I've got this one. This one is the mango coconut oil. Now this is what it says. It says mango coconut oil, but it's actually a part of their exotic shea butter line. So I think that's where my confusion came in. But yeah, I ended up picking up this one. You guys, this smells so good. And it works really, really well. I'll leave their link below in the description box. So these are just a few items that I wanted to haul with you guys. I mean, I did not do as bad as I have done in the past. I think I did pretty good, even though my goal was to not shop at all. But again, I'm going to stop saying that. I'm going to stop saying that because I know if there's something out there that I want, I'm going to get it. And at this point, I just have to go ahead and admit that that's what it is, you know. As usual, my hauls are giving you a segue into some of the things that are going to be coming up on this channel. You're going to see these things in use, being used, get reviews on them, get first impressions on them, final thoughts, all those types of things. But thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.